Today's title is Glamping in the Everglades. Everglades National Park is in the south of Florida near Miami. It is one of the biggest parks in the U.S. People visit the park to see alligators, manatees, and birds. I decided to stay in a tent near the water, so that I could watch the birds in the morning. It wasn't real camping. It was glamping, glamorous camping. I had a tent with a bed and chairs, and I could look outside and see the water. When it got light on Monday morning, hundreds of birds such as white egrets and blue herons flew to nearby trees. I watched as an osprey landed on the ground and picked up dry grass for its nest. It was a birdwatcher's dream come true.
There are 2 questions, please answer them. Question 1. Is Everglades National Park in Miami? Answer. No, it is near Miami in the south of Florida. Question 2. What animals can people see in the park? Answer. People can see alligators, manatees, and birds. Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.